Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to correctly add EBT card to Sam's Club app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add EBT card correctly to your Sam's Club app, all you gotta do is simply go to your Sam's Club app, log in into your account, and once you have logged in into your account, you need to simply navigate to the account section. Once you have been in the account section, you need to now go to your payment options. So once you're in your payment options as well, you can simply select add EBT card. Once you have done this, you can simply enter the EBT card information and verify it. You can also simply go and check out your card if you have any stuffs in your card, and during the checkout process you can simply choose this payment option. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.